Ayan, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Today, I'm gonna be talking about a fund that I strongly believe in. And I wanna share it to you, which is the 5G Revolution Fund. I already made a post about this, pero gusto ko i-discuss sa live para naman sa mga manonood sa atin. I really don't want you to miss out on this opportunity habang wala pa si 5G. Kasi pag lumabas na yan, it's gonna be the telcos are gonna be so important. People are gonna realize how important fast internet is gonna be. Kaya we're gonna be discussing about that in a bit. Today is gonna be medyo short episode lang because I have a meeting at 9:30, so I have to finish the episode at 9 o'clock, maligo ng 10 minutes at pumunta sa meeting at 9:30. But yeah, mas importante ang daily grind naman. So that's okay. Ayan, I have a few picks for today, and then we're gonna discuss yung mga picks po ninyo, and then as much as possible, sagutin natin lahat. But we have to end at 9 o'clock. Anyways, let's start po. I'm gonna go first sa mga comments ng mga tao. You have any requests? Gusto nyong tingnan natin ng mga charts? Pwede po, lagay niyo po sa comments. Please share the video. Pakishare po ang video sa mga Facebook walls niyo, to your trading groups. I-watch party niyo na po para naman po mga newbies doon malaman nila na may daily grind po na nakakatulong at makakatulong sa stock market journey nila should they are still newbies. Okay? So, one of the best program for newbies, and we wanna share it to them. Right, so just double checking on everything. Okay na ba? Alright, so yeah, let me just turn down the Alright, so let's go to the comments. Joel Garas, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. May nabasa kagad akong comment from Harry Cummings. I would invest in 5G but hasn't been tested for having ill effects on health. My 2 cents. That's a good point. Daanan natin yan. Sir, bati naman happy birthday sa daughter kong si Jane Patricia. Thanks Jane Patricia. And Joel Gares, happy birthday Jane. And from your father and from the Financial Freedom 101 family. And sa mga ka-daily grinders, happy birthday to you. Hops, good morning. Inputs po sa IRC ISMFB. Ayan, si IRC SMFB. Let's check out ISM. Si ISM na-recommend ko kahapon. Medyo pulahan siya, but MA20 is still holding. So that's okay. Hindi naman, sabi ko sa inyo, it will take time for stocks to move. Hindi naman agad-agad yan aakyat, but still looking good. MA20 is still intact, still a good buy for me, especially if mag-hold yan. Sir, may reco kayo sa international stocks, pero nasa taas kasi nasa watchlist ko. O nga may inaabangan ako. Actually, I'm recommending Visa and MasterCard, pero abangan natin yung pullback niya. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. Visa, MasterCard. So, Visa Inc. Right, so nagpo-pullback pa si Visa Inc. Pulang-pula pa. So, this is one of my watch list. Ito yung inaabangan ko, isa si MasterCard. I strongly recommend these two, especially in the future. Online na ang mga transactions, that's gonna be so big for Visa and MasterCard. Okay, so I'm recommending these two, including PayPal. Si PayPal ang pangatlo. Yeah, these are my watch list, pero hindi pa tayo binibigyan ng buy signals. Kaya, konting tiis lang muna. Right? IRC, ISM. Si IRC, kamustahin natin? IRC. Si IRC, still on its uptrend line. Abangan natin yung bounce niya so that we can say na pwede na naman siyang bilhin ulit. Alright, so just follow the trend line. Andyan pa naman yung trend line ni IRC. It touched the upper Bollinger Band 2 days ago. Somehow nag-pull back right after that, but overall we're still seeing a good reversal for IRC. It's been playing at the upper Bollinger Band, so that's a good sign. Mukhang aakit pa siya. There's momentum on it, so it's still okay. Abangan nyo lang ang bounce ng IRC before nyo pasukin. Hopefully mag-bounce na yan anytime soon. Malapit na sa uptrend line niya. Alright, IRC, ISM, FB. Yan, si Food and Beverages ni San Miguel. So far, so good. The support is still holding up. Okay naman, we have not so much of a volume, but much better than the previous days. So yeah, I'm still recommending FB dito sa support niya as long as the support holds. FB is still a buy. Francis Fahilan, good morning. Sir Lloyd, happy Friday. Happy Friday to you too. Dendro and Sigbat. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, Dendro. Watching from Cagayan de Oro. Uy, CDO, good morning po sa inyo dyan. Chris Canilan, good morning. Vidgore, good morning. Ano insights mo kay ISM and MH? Si ISM so far so good. We are still above MA20. If mag-green yan, that's another buy signal. That's a confirmation na intact pa rin ang uptrend ni ISM. Saan ako? ISM and then nawala yung ano ko highlight ko eh. MHC. Ito si MHC nasa support eh. Right, so MHC best nito is nahihirapan si MHC mag-breakout dito eh. So that's the biggest problem in MHC. But price action is there. So I think it's gonna break out anytime soon. Best signal is gonna be the breakout. Let's see so kung sino mananalo. The bullish people who are giving us good price action. This is the bearish area where people do not buy anymore. And dyan po nagko-commence yung selling. So yeah, let's see sino mananalo. Breakout lang. That's the purpose of waiting for a breakout to know if ever it's gonna go bullish talaga. Joy Bicol, bumibelo pa lang yan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd from Dubai. Good morning po. Sa inyo dyan, napakaaga pa sa Dubai ngayon. Right? They are earlier sa Middle East. 4 hours, diba? So, morning po sa inyo dyan. Napakaagang daily grind dyan. Harry Cummings, I would invest. Ito yung sinasabi ni Harry Cummings. So this is gonna be our topic for today. Good 2 cents, I would invest in 5G, but it hasn't been tested for having ill effects on health. My 2 cents. That's a good point. Pero we're dealing with radio waves lang naman eh, signals. And there's a theory na yung mga signal daw kasi ng mga cell sites is not good for health. But maybe 5G na wireless kasi si 5G eh. That's the biggest point of 5G. You have a good point. Wala pang test naman diyan. But so far historically, pag radio waves wala naman talagang signal 'yan. Wala naman talagang wala naman talagang effect 'yan sa katawan. But yeah, it's not radiation or anything. So hindi naman makakasama yan. But we'll check into that. But yeah, I'm still I don't think 5G is stoppable before that because of that. So yeah. Jane Hazel, Cruzada, CPG and SMPH po. Si CPG, recommended CPG. Right, so si Harry Cummings, yeah. Well, I'll look into that, but as far as I know, yung mga internet signals, the cell phone signals isn't really that bad. Hindi naman siya radiation or anything. CPG. Alright, CPG. So far, yung support niya is holding. As long as the support holds, this is okay. Naglabas ng earnings si CPG, 215%. You might want to look into this. Hindi po ito na napanood, medyo busy. But look at CPG. I told you this is gonna be a very good year for CPG. And there it is, 215%. Better check into that. Maganda ba talaga yan? Baka numbers lang. But this should help boost CPG if maganda ito. So please do your due diligence. Check it out. I'm recommending technically and fundamentally speaking, si CPG is doing good. Right? So I'd say yes. SMPH, as long nag-bounce na naman sa SMPH kahapon, so congratulations pa rin sa mga nakapasok dun sa support when we recommended it. Ang problema kay SMPH ngayon, malapit na siya sa resistance. So it's really hard to catch it now. Noon sana nung nasa support pa, that was the low risk position. That's the best time to enter it. Right now, we are playing at resistances. So medyo high risk po tayo kasi ang laki-laki ng pwede bagsak niyan at baka mag-break pa. Ipit kayo dyan. Okay? So best if you're trading it, wait for a breakout na lang. Kasi pag nag-breakout yan, at least low risk kayo. If you need to cut your losses, then konti lang ang matatalo sa inyo. But if you are a long-term investor for SMPH, yes, this is a good dip for SMPH to start buying. But I'm already recommending SMPH. Most probably tapos na itong pagbagsak ng ito. We are already seeing momentum starting to go up. Alright, asa na ako? Ayan, Ricardo Esquejo. Ayan, good morning, sir. Insights po kay Bell. Si Bell nagsa-sideways pa rin. Let's see, we have a divergence forming already. Pag nag-bounce ito, that's a good support confirmation for Bell. Nag-attempt siya mag-breakout kaso wala, hindi nag-sustain. Pero pag nag-bounce na yan, that's a good divergence buy. Pwede nang bilhin si Bell. Inaabangan ko rin yan. Joey Bicol, sir, insights naman po kay SMPH and EW. SMPH, I've been recommending that for how many days before already. And then I just covered it, so yeah, you know how to deal with it already. Si EW, we have an ascending triangle right here, so we have a resistance at this point. It's not good to buy anymore. I recommended EW around this area. I forgot when, but it was already starting to go up after that. So congratulations sa pumasok noon. EW, wait for the breakout. That's the best entry point because we are if pumasok ka ngayon, napakalapit mo na sa resistance and that's not worth the risk. Pare-pares lang ang risk to reward ratio mo. So it's gonna be very hard. Wait for the breakout na lang. Vince Digno, good morning Sir Lloyd. Salamat sa daily grind mo lagi. It's a big help. God bless. Thank you so much then for the support. Doing my best to help everyone. We are sharing everything we can. Thank you rin sa mga blessings. Guys, you created an account with eToro using my link. It's been very helpful for the channel. That's why we are able to do this every day na libre, and we are able to give out seminars. The most affordable seminar you can you can find out there, diba? Speaking of seminar, I'm gonna be there on September 29. Libre lang, halos libre na po yan, just 500 pesos. It's sponsored by eToro. The trading masterclass, if you're a newbie, kung kakasimula mo lang sa stock market, that's the best seminar you can join. Just 500 pesos at BGC. Very good venue. The topic is gonna be very good. I've been doing the trading masterclass for more than 3 years. 3 years na. 3 years na ang trading masterclass. Amazing. And it's still ongoing. Kasi endless po. Parami ang mga Pilipino na nag-join sa stock market and needs that guidance. Okay? So, para wag na po kayong mapamahal when it comes to learning the basics of trading. Just join the trading masterclass. Vince Digno, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Salamat sa daily grind mo. Ay, nabasa ko na pala yan. Inulit ko lang. Erickson Lodi, nag-message na po ako sa FB mo regarding eToro transferring my address. Thanks. Oh, yung nga pala, Erickson, yeah. I'm doing my best to answer everyone. my inbox is flooded, I tell you. Hindi ko pa masagot lahat. I'm doing my best really. Kasi ganito nangyayari pag I allot around an hour to answer everyone. Then after an hour, puno na naman inbox ko kasi nagre-reply yung lahat. Nauubos ang oras ko talaga. But I'll do my best. I'll look for your message today. May meeting pa ako, so medyo mahirap. But yeah, best to email this guy also, jeffgu@etoro.com. Oh, sorry, .com. eToro.com yan. So that he can help. Also, hopefully they will respond. But I'll send them a message also. I'll try to read your message today. Roel Camacho, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po, CPG, VUL, and PHA. CPG, it's looking good for today. I think it's gonna move the coming days. I already recommended CPG yesterday, but with the earnings report yesterday, that should help the stock move forward up. In the coming days, hindi ko ginagaranti yan today, but this should help the stock go up. So, pwede pa ito for today. I'd say yes. It's still a buy, especially pag nag-green yan. Asa na ako? Wala. Yan, CPG, VUL. Si VUL na-recommend ko kahapon because of the MA20 bounce. And there it is, umakyat si VUL. So, that's a confirmation again. Yesterday was the best entry point. If you wanna go in today, let's see how much your risk is. Medyo malaki-laki na risk mo pa rin. Mga nasa 6 to 7% na. Pero kung okay lang sa'yo yan, I'd say yes, pwede pa rin yung risk na yan. Layo-layo pa naman na resistance niya. So, pwede pa habulin. Pero malaki-laki na nga lang risk mo. PHA, si PHA kahapon did a very good climb. So, so nag-recover siya about MA20. Above MA20. So, this is good for PHA. I just really cannot recommend PHA lately. Sana kung nag-breakout ito. But right now, nag-failed siya sa resistance, nag-pull back. This is still still good price action. But resistance is very near kasi. I would say, best entry point, just if mag-breakout na lang si PHA. This is a good dip. Pwede nyo na po ipasukin ito. But this is too aggressive of an entry. check it out. Malaki-laki ang risk natin dyan. Above MA20, pag nag-above MA20 na yan, at least liliit ang risk ninyo. But best talaga is mag-breakout. That's confirmation kasi. That's for PHA. ECP po, sir. For ECP, recommended ECP yesterday. Dahil sa MA20 bounce niya, umakyat naman. And then, still good. We're still playing at MA20. So, that's still okay for ECP. Pwede pa habulin yan. Kahapon ko na-recommend yan. Hopefully, mag-sustain pa rin. It's still a go. Use MA20 as your support. Cut loss below that. The net mail, good morning, sir. And thank you for your daily grind. God bless you and Apple. Thank you so much then, the net mail. Lim. Ben Moneda, hello, sir. Good morning. Sa insights kay Tech, please. Tech is still a buy. Hindi ko na na-recommend ngayon si Tech kasi ilang araw ko na na-recommend. But we have 3 white soldiers already for Tech. So, that's still a good signal to buy. Right? Pasukin nyo na po yan. Yan yung ginamit natin kay Shell PH. Remember? Tatlong mga delivery and then tumuloy-tuloy si SLPH dahil dyan. So that's what's happening to Tech also. This is a good confirmation signal. Pwede pang habulin yan si Tech. Pasukin nyo na po yan habang maaga pa. Hindi yung lumipad na, saka naman kayo hahabol. You test it now, take risks, and while the risk is still low. That's for Tech Chief Yuan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. ABA po at MRSGI si ABA kahapon. Laki ng panalo. Right, so MA20, this is what I've been teaching you always. MA20, yun nga lang, hindi ko na nire-recommend si ABA because for me, ABA is already expensive, but the trend is your friend. Yeah, yun, tumuloy-tuloy pa rin siya. MA20 was the best entry point. This is not a breakout for me. This is basically the higher highs forming up, right? So we are playing at resistance levels. Best entry point is a pullback, and then after ng pullback bounce, that's the best entry point for position traders, okay? Dapat dito diba? Pero hindi ko na pinaglalaroan si ABA kasi napakataas na niyan. Very shaky, very strong resistance there already. And for me, it's already expensive as of the moment si ABA. MRSGI, Marisgi, si MRSGI. Alright, so MRSGI recommended it at the bottoms. Yeah, this is pullback and bounce for MRSGI. I'd say this is a good buy already for MRSGI. Pwede na ito. We have an uptrend. We have higher highs. We have higher lows. So that's a buy for MRSGI for me. That's the start of the trend. Hopefully, mahaba-habang trend ito. We cannot say, but the good thing is we are near MA20, pero so low risk po yan. So if we take that advice, at least it's a low risk position, cut loss below MA20 for MRSGI. Jose B, good morning, Boss Lloyd. Insights po kay Meg. Si Meg, may ganon, pababa pa rin. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na head and shoulder pattern. So this is a bearish pattern. So abang lang muna tayo kay Meg. Let's see if bigyan tayo ulit ng entry point. Na-recommend natin si Meg ito dito So far so good. At least may sign naman tayo na tapos na yung downtrend niya. Nagsa-sideways pa siya ngayon. Let's see for the future price action anong gagawin ni Meg. Right now, wala pa tayong signals. AGI. Si AGI, may magandang support to Ito yung magandang support ni AGI. So AGI, get in near the support as much as you can. Okay? Maglagay na kayo ng GTC dyan sa magkano ba yan? 12.08, 12.05. Maglagay na kayo ng GTC dyan, baka pumasok na, di ba? Jose B, ISM still a buy. Use the MA20 as your support. Just cut loss below that. Tommy Esmarcano Escobedo, good morning, coach, at sa lahat ng viewers. Good morning. Third bodega lang CPG 5556. Yes. I'd say yes as of the moment. Hindi bodega ang recommendation ko dito. If you wanna trade it, just trade it. Just test buy here. If ever mag-start ng trend, you just keep buying more. Doon kayo magbodega sa uptrend niya. Pag test buy dito, kasi pag bumulusok yan, mahaba-abang bulusok pa ito, at least you can cut loss at a very small loss. Right? So, wag mo ng bodega. Ang bodegahin niyo po ang mga blue chips doon sa baba. Kenji, happy Friday po, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. LHC po, food and SSP. So, si food, how many days ago I recommended food? One of my favorite recommendations nga ito noon, di ba? So, yeah, I told you this price action is good for me. And there it is. Lumangat na si food. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega sa baba. I recommended food a few days ago. A few days back. Congrats. And there it is. Umangat na si food. Breakout pa nga yun Kaso nga lang ngayon, medyo mataas na. Abang na lang tayo ng next na pullback sa mga hindi nakapasok kay food. LHC. Alright, si LHC, Good price action. Yung buying niya mas mataas naman ngayon. But this support is the best entry point for LHC. I'd say buy that already. It already broke out from the MA20, so that is a signal na tapos na itong downtrend na ito. So yeah, pag nag-bounce yan, if any green soon, it's already a buy. Hindi ko lang ni-recommend today because wala pang green. Too aggressive for a recommendation. Mahirap po. Malaking responsibility po mag-recommend, especially at this scale na marami po tayong viewers. So I always wait for a confirmation. Personally, I enter those positions, but for recommendations, especially sa mga baguhan na hindi pa sanay sa emotion behind trading, always wait for confirmation. Mas sure kasi. Si SSP, right? So SSP is starting to form a support right here. Okay? This is looking good for SSP. May divergence dito. Right? This is stabilized already. I think SSP is going sideways. So it's starting to go up already. This is a good support. If you want to test it out, yes, test the support of SSP. Maganda naman ang pinapakita ni SSP for this year. So yeah. Oh, yung first quarter niya, laki pala na negative. I just saw the second quarter, 194%. Check out hindi ko kasi alam ang ano nito eh. Hindi ko kasi alam ang fundamentals ni SSP eh. But price action wise, yes, it did start an uptrend. It did start an uptrend. Kaso hindi nagtuloy-tuloy. It broke MA20, so that was a bad signal. Right now, it's descending triangle eh. Right? I want to take back what I said. We are playing at a descending triangle. Pag nag-green ito ulit, that's a buy. One moment please, yung asa ko. Sorry about that. Gusto niya lumabas sa kwarto eh. Uy nga pala, hindi ko napapansin yung mukha ko. Hindi na pala na-shoot sa screen. Alright, let me just move my microphone a bit. Ayan, kasi andito yung monitor ko and andyan yung camera. SSP, ayan, wait for the breakout na lang because that's a descending triangle pattern. It's 8:40. I want to start with what they call this, my recommendations really quick. I'm gonna stop with Kenji muna. Before the recommendations pala, I'm gonna talk about the 5G revolution na fund, right? So this is a fund available for us already. Now that 5G is already coming up, right? Nagsisimula na pong umakyat ang mga telcos, right? Especially the international telcos kasi sila mauna sa 5G, so paunahin ito. The good thing about this is once 5G goes out, I strongly believe in the future of this kasi ang dami pong nag-aabang na technology sa 5G. Sa hospitals, yung mga offline, yung kahit yung doktor nasa international nag-ooperate, that can be perfectly done with 5G. Yung car revolution, yung mga kotse, right? Sila Tesla, meron na ngayon na delivery trucks na long range na mga deliveries pero sa bahay lang dinidrive. So that's gonna be the future, and 5G is gonna fuel that. Kasi hindi pa po fully functional itong mga wireless na mga communication because of the current internet speed. But with 5G, man, it's as if you are there. Sa sobrang bilis ni 5G. So we really need this, and I think this is gonna be a very big step in the future. And if you want to be part of that growth of that technology, habang maaga pa, pumasok na kayo sa 5G revolution. Good thing about this fund is you can already start with just $2,000, right? And then fund ito, so it will just move on its own. And the best thing is yung portfolio niya, yung exposure niya. Kikita niyo po, all of these are good telcos, right? Even Chinatel, kung gusto niyo po si ISM, si Chinatel, andyan po. Nokia, Qualcomm, Micron, one of the best companies out there you can find. Lenovo, right? So all the companies, this is already diversified. This is a fund that's already diversified. The beauty about diversification is your risks are mitigated properly, okay? But These are gonna be very good, I tell you. So put funds into 5G revolution. I strongly recommend that. Okay. Um, if you have a spare na natutulog lang na pera dyan sa bangko ninyo, $2,000, lagyan nyo lang po dito sa 5G revolution. This is gonna be a very big growth. At least man lang makapag-participate kayo sa growth ng 5G. Hindi po tayo consumer lang, but we are investors of the 5G revolution. And it's coming. Kaya nga, nag-aagawan si China tsaka si US at 5G, diba? Because it's a very big step and it's gonna be a very big growth for the companies, for the economy. And especially the telcos kasi sila mangunguna dyan. That's why it's gonna be a very big growth. If sila US at China naghahabulan dyan, bakit hindi tayo sumali? Diba? Let's dip our toes into this revolution in the technology. So I want to strongly recommend 5G revolution na fund for you guys. Okay? I hope you got my point. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. This is available in eToro. Sa mga wala pang eToro po, you can help the channel by just investing on yourselves, right? Create an eToro account. Please use my link. Andyan po sa video description yung link ko. That helps fuel the program every day if you create the account using my link. Si 5G Revolution po, I strongly recommend it. Huwag niyo po sasayangin itong opportunity na ito. Sila po si eToro po ang pinakaunang nakagawa ng funds that is involving 5G Revolution. And I will tell you, sa international po, mga international countries that has eToro also, ito yung pinakamainit na fund right now. And sayang naman po, mga Pinoy, konti lang. I just know a few who are taking advantage of this. So I hope you take advantage of this fund also. Okay? Let's go to my picks. Thank you so much for that. That was my main topic. Sir, may tanong dito, Sir Lloyd. 5G remote control na lahat. Oh, tama, totoo po 'yan. Right now si China, if napapansin niyo po, sa Hong Kong, meron na pong mga driverless cars. Right? Driverless cars meaning yung mga kotse nagda-drive na po sa sarili nila, automated na po ang takbo. Yun nga lang, hindi pwedeng pabayaan, so meron pa rin nakaupo sa driver's seat because it's not yet it's still being tested, pero andyan na po yung mga tao nakaupo lang just in case na may makita sila na medyo mali, they can manually control the car. Pero mga sasakyan automated na po, and that's possible through internet. Pag nag 5G yan, lalo pa. Okay, so again, huwag niyo po sasayangin yung fund na yun. That's the question I am receiving about 5G. Okay naman. Lodi, maganda po yung sinabi mo. Nagbigay kayo ng advice on kung how much ang GTC namin. Sana all, thanks. Alright, so, yeah, pwede naman. $2,000 minimum amount sa 5G portfolio. Yes, $2,000 po ang minimum dyan. Because this is a premium product, kaya medyo mahal po ito. But that's more than worth it with all the companies that you will be invested in. That's gonna be really worth it. Very diversified. 2.85% in American Tower Corporation. Isa yan sa mga kinabang dyan because towers are gonna be AT&T, 2.64% of your port is gonna put into there. This is very, very balanced si 5G revolution. So, sayang naman. Okay, my picks for today, let me just get it. Andiyan naman po sa video description ng mga picks ko sa mga nanonood ng replay. But here it is. I'll put it on the chat for everyone to see. Alright, I want to discuss them one by one. I'll go full screen para mas matindi. Ali, one of my first picks for today. After the pullback ni Ali, and this is the bounce that we're waiting for. Ali is good to go. Recommended Ali here. Lumipad siya, nag-pullback. That's already a higher high. If napapansin niyo po yan. Right? Let me just make sure. Nope. Yan. So, the screen's here. So, Sorry about that. Ay, nako. Yeah, okay na. May tumawag pa sa akin. Si Ranulfo Fuerzas. Tinawagan ako kasi nawatay yung audio sa live. Thank you so much. I don't have anyone. Tumuloy-tuloy ako. So, balik sa lahat. Take 2. Pasensya na. Si Ali. I'll go back to Ali. Ali, one of my favorites for today. This is a blue chip. That's why I really want to invest in this because I love blue chips, especially trading blue chips. Mas sure po kasi maglaro dito sa mga blue chips. So, mga newbies, learn from that. Ali, after making the all-time high, it did a downtrend and then we broke the MA20. We saw a buy signal here, possible reversal. We recommended it here. We are already making higher highs and higher lows. This is the best time again to buy Ali. Kakastart lang po ng uptrend niya. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy si Ali. Pasensya na. Sorry about that. Yun. After Ali si SSI. Okay na sa akin, para sa akin si SSI. After the downtrend also, we already broke the MA20. Those are usually positive signals. Kaso nga lang, nag-resistant siya dito. That's why I did not recommend it. It did a pullback the past few days and then we have a bounce. Good price action. That's a buy already. We're very near support. Hindi ko alam kung bababa pa yan. But that's already a buy for me, si SSI. One of my favorite price actions yan. SSI is a go. To go is a go. Also, we have a support for 2 go already. We have already been touching the upper Bollinger Band. So this is a good signal. We have momentum on RSI already. Nasa 50 na po tayo. These are good signals and right now we are at the support. So pwede pong pasukin po yan si 2 go for now. Tech. Ilang araw ko na itong nirecommend. Dito pa ang best entry point kay Tech. Nirecommend ko ulit kahapon. And then today, I'm writing it again today kasi pwede pa naman bilhin. So Tech is still a buy. Those are positive signals for Tech. LR. Ang gulo na ng drawing. Tanggalin ko lang lahat. Oh, sorry. Alright. So, again, for LR, for the longest time, LR has been on a downtrend. If you can see this, right here, this was the downtrend of LR. Hindi po siya nagbe-break above MA20. But for the first time, it was already above MA20 again. Hindi naman for the first time. For the first time in how many weeks, ang ibig kong sabihin. But LR, after doing that, that's a signal na tapos na ang downtrend niya. And we have a good buy signal there. We have higher highs and higher lows already. LR is a buy today. Si VITA is a buy. Alright. Pan lang po yun. Higher highs and higher lows. The stock is on an uptrend. Right here, this is the best time to enter VITA. Pasukin nyo na po yan, si VITA. Okay na po yan. And then use MA20 as your support for VITA. Kung gusto nyo po habulin si VITA. Lastly, si COSCO, isa sa mga paborito ko today. I've been recommending COSCO dito pa sa baba. Dito pa yan sa baba, nire-recommend ko si COSCO and it's starting to go up already. Bakit ko nire-recommend ito sa baba? Because of the support right here, di ba? Yung support niya, massive support right here. And then, there's the resistance but we have good price action already. Yun yung isa sa mga paborito kong price action. So, most probably, again, it will do a breakout anytime soon. This is the last, most probably the last chance we are gonna be able to ride it. So, ang hindi pa nakapasok kay COSCO, test buy. Put some of your money here. I'd say yes. This is one of my favorite stocks right now. Yung position na. Very good support right here. 1, 2, 3. That's a triple bottom support for COSCO. So, very low risk position for COSCO. Those are my picks for today. We have 5 minutes left. Pasensya na ulit kanina. I'll go to the comments. Sino ba yung last ko na nabasa? Carl Plays, thank you for sharing your insights for free. Happy to help po. Ang kapalit po niyan is if you create an eToro account, use my link po. Yan lang po ang kapalit niyan. So, basically, still for free. Tommy Escobedo, coach, okay pa rin po ba long-term sa ICT? Average ko po ay 106. Plano ko i-sell, tapos wait lang. Pag bumaba, 106 to buy again. May suggestion po. When you do that, it's best to just sell half kasi hindi mo alam, baka lumipad na yan. Alright, so let's check out ICT. Very good question from Tommy Escobedo kasi. So, 106. Average mo is 106 for ICT. That's a good entry right here, 106, di ba? A very good bounce right here. Just sell half. Ang problema kasi nito is it's showing us bullish signals, right? Nakikita niyo po yan, higher highs. Though there is a lower high here, wala naman tayong lower lows. It might still go up. You can sell half on the next weakness. Kasi green pa siya ngayon. I don't want you to sell it there. Pag may nakita ka ng red, and if it's a lower one, yes, you can sell it. Half, at least half lang, right? But if that's already a good gains, still a very good company for long term. I'd say yes, ICT is still good. Pero wala na eh. Hinug na ito eh. Yeah, hanap ka lang ng ibang stock na nasa baba. This is already a good win for you. I can consider that. Pwede naman yan. Von Adam Martinez bought BPI at 78.85. Sell ko na siya later kung mag-94 na siya. Si BPI, grabe ang mga tao dito Puro gains na ang pinagsasabi Bought BPI at 78. Yan, ito naalala ko, pinilit ko kayong bilhin si BPI dito sa baba and we were able to win it. So congratulations, it's a very good win. If ever mag-fail siya at hindi talaga makapag-breakout, actually dapat nakapag-sell off na kayo dito. This is proving to be a big resistance for BPI, but still very bullish, right? For me, I'd say sell half in case mag-angat pa siya, you're still in the trade. Okay? Hindi kayo magsisisi, right? But it's about time to take profits. Come on naman. Take profits na kayo. Laki-laki na ng panalo na yan. That's already 20%. So take profits. Half of it at least already for BPI. So congratulations. Raiden Jerus, Sir, PPG bought 985 and IDC at 7. Unahin natin si IDC. Unahin natin si PPG. Si PPG, pababa na ngayon si PPG di ba? Ayaw na mag-load ng chart ko. Unahin natin si IDC. Ayun, si PPG. So far, nasa MA20 pa naman. Cut loss ka lang. Benta mo na lang if ever hindi mag-sustain ng MA20, okay? That's for PPG and IDC at 7. 7 ngayon sa IDC. Ay, medyo mataas. Bakit nasa taas mo nabili? Right now, it's still on a downturn pero may magandang price action sa IDC So, pwede pa siya. I'd say it's still okay. Meron tayong resistance dito. If ever pumula na yan, that's already a sell signal. So, sell half of it. Baka mag-breakout pa. And you have a support right here. Diyan na lang at least ang pinaka-support mo. Jerson Kayabyab, good morning sir. Insights mo kay RLT, MRSGI, APC, LHC at ABA. Pasensya masyado marami request. It's 8:58. Bilisan ko lang ito. RLT. Yung mga tapos na, hindi ko lang babasahin ulit. Alright, RLT. So far, maganda naman yung price action yan. But this is on a downtrend. So, it's really hard to tell. Best to do on a breakout na lang if ever. At least ma-break naman muna yung downtrend niya. For RLT, si ABA masyado mataas na. MRSGI, APC, APC, MA20 bound sana. Right now, it's already too high. This is the reason why I am teaching you MA20 kasi napakaganda po sumalo ng stock sa MA20, especially sa PSEI. Even in the international market. Please watch my video about MA20 and Bollinger Bands. Fini-feature ko po yan lagi. Very high right now. Don't go in it. Huwag kayong mainggit dyan. LHC, we covered that already. Si ABA masyado mataas na. Ernie Punay, sir, how about RWM? RWM is still okay as for me. Na-recommend ko si RWM yesterday, right? Hindi. Nag-gap down si RWM. Bakit kaya? Ano nangyari dito? May news ba si RWM? Bakit nangyari? Please check it out. I haven't checked. Pasensya na po. Hindi ko napansin ito si RWM. Bakit nag-gap down? Not sure why. But you should have cut your losses if ever na-hit yung stop loss ninyo. Philip Santillan, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay AGI buyback. AGI buyback, that's always good but hindi naman guarantee na aakyat yan. But right now, AGI is at a good support. So yes. Hi Sir Lloyd, pwede bang umattend seminar September 29 kahit di mag-register sa eToro? Sadly po, this is made available by eToro. Kaya po, libre po yan. Usually po, yung seminars ko is at 4,000 pesos. Diba? because of eToro, sila na po na shoulder na majority na expenses. We are able to give it at 500 pesos. So, let's give it to eToro. Mag-register na lang po tayo. Please use my link when you register. Pero yun po ang requirements nila. So, hopefully makapag-register po kayo. Hindi naman kailangan mag-submit na ng ano. As long as maka-register kayo, kahit hindi nyo po muna i-verify. Right? Zenaida Karunungan, just a way to give back to our sponsors. That's how we thank them. Hi Sir Lloyd, pwede po ba umattend sa seminar? Yan, nabasa ko na. Sir PPG and IDC, na-cover na. Willpower, VITA, Boss, pa second opinion. VITA is VITA. Right, Oliver de Guzman sa bounce back IDC. Yes, it's showing us a bounce. Erickson Lodi, maganda po yung sinabi nyo. Magbigay ng GTC. VITA, Boss, pa second na, nabasa na natin. Adonar Gourmet, Maing Buntag Sir Lloyd from Kuwait. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Mitch Mendoza, MBT and JFC. Sige, last na ito for Mitch. MBT, MBTY tuloy. MBT. Alright, Metrobank, nag-bounce naman. Too aggressive of an entry. We have momentum on the downside. I don't want to recommend MBT right now. Pero bodega po ito. If you can buy now, just buy some kasi hindi natin alam, baka lumipad rin yan. But this is a good opportunity. Pag bumagsak po ito lalo, the better. Same with JFC. It's not a buy right now, si MBT. But for long term, that's a good signal already. So JFC, napaka-obvious po ng support na yan. This is the support you want to test, and then pataas na po yung RSI niya. So this support is getting stronger and stronger for JFC. Definitely a buy at this level right here. So that's it for today. It's a Friday, so konting ingat po sa mga positions ninyo. Let's focus on stocks na nasa baba po. Wag po yung mga nagliliparan na, kasi that's bad position trading. I'm teaching everyone how to position trade. September 29, I'm gonna be there in Manila. Mag-register na po kayo. Andyan po sa events ng Facebook page ko. Huwag niyo po sasayangin yung opportunity. You're gonna learn a lot, and it's sponsored by eToro. And kung si eToro po magsa-sponsor, alam niyo na po may bonus yan. So, everything is gonna be a gain for you that day. Huwag niyo po sasayangin yung opportunity. Let's get rich together. See you next week. Bye everyone. Enjoy the weekend. Oh